For this plane, we think about it this way, as this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and the z-axis sits vertical in this situation. Vertical is the z-axis. The first motion we have is the rolling motion, which is when the plane rolls around the x-axis. So this movement around the x-axis is called the rolling, and this motion is done by the ailerons on the wing. So it just sits on the wing. When the ailerons goes up, the flow of air hits the ailerons and pushes the wing downwards on one side, and this produces this rolling motion to the right. Now for the second motion we have is the yawing motion. The yawing motion is when the plane moves around the z-axis like this. As we think about, the z-axis is vertical in this situation, and the yawing motion is going around it. For the third motion we have in a plane is the pitching motion, which is controlling the nose of the plane up and down. This is done by the elevators on the horizontal tail of the plane. Let's think about this as an elevator. When this elevator goes up, the flow of air hits it and forces it to go down, and that's how pitching is done in a plane. The third motion produced by the plane is the yawing. It's produced by the rudder at the back of the plane. As the rudder moves to the right and left, it produces the yawing motion along the z-axis of the plane. So if the rudder moves to this side, the airflow will hit it from this side and it will move it this way.